Hey there, developers. Today, I'm diving into the world of Outsystems. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this video will give you a solid understanding of Outsystems, its uses, benefits, and future opportunities. So, let's get started. Outsystems is a low-code platform designed to accelerate the development of enterprise-grade applications. With Outsystems, you can build, deploy, and manage apps with incredible speed and efficiency. It's perfect for those who want to focus more on innovation and less on mundane coding tasks. Now, let's talk about its benefits. First off, Outsystems drastically reduces development time. Imagine turning months of work into just weeks. It also ensures high-quality output by providing robust security features and seamless integrations. Plus, it's highly scalable, so your app can grow as your business does. So who's using Outsystems? Well, big names like Toyota, Schneider Electric, and Deloitte have adopted it to streamline their processes and innovate faster. It's not just for large corporations. SMEs are also leveraging Outsystems to stay competitive and agile. What about the future? Outsystems is continuously evolving, incorporating the latest technologies like AI and machine learning. This means even more opportunities for developers to create smarter and more efficient applications. Imagine automated suggestions for code optimization or predictive analytics built right into your app. Exciting, right? Now, let's talk about the Indian job market for Outsystems developers. In the next 2-3 years, there's expected to be a significant rise in demand. Companies are looking for skilled developers who can harness the power of low-code platforms. So, if you're in India, honing your Outsystems skills could be a lucrative move. To wrap things up, Outsystems is transforming the way we develop applications. It's fast, efficient, and packed with features that cater to both large enterprises and small businesses. With ongoing advancements and a growing market, now is the perfect time to dive into Outsystems. If you're looking to learn more, check out Go Live classes for some excellent resources and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video.